Superlist versus Notion. Which productivity app wins? Choosing the right productivity app can completely change how you organize your work without feeling overwhelmed. Superlist offers focused task management, while Notion provides versatile workspace customization. Superlist and Notion are both productivity tools, but serve different needs. Superlist centers on streamlined task and team management, while Notion is an all-in-one workspace combining notes, databases, and collaboration. The core difference lies in simplicity versus extensive customization. Superlist is a task-focused productivity app designed to enhance team collaboration with clear, organized task lists. It works by allowing users to create projects, assign tasks, set priorities, and track progress in real time. Its strengths include intuitive design, fast performance, and seamless communication features like comments and notifications. Superlist limits distractions by focusing primarily on task management rather than offering broad workspace customization. This makes it ideal for users and teams who want a straightforward, efficient way to manage tasks without the complexity of building custom workflows or databases. However, it may feel restrictive for users who require extensive flexibility or prefer integrating notes and documents alongside tasks. Superlist is best suited for teams prioritizing clarity and speed in project execution over multifunctional workspace features. Notion is a versatile productivity platform that combines note-taking, database management, task tracking, and collaboration in one flexible workspace. It works by letting users build customized pages using blocks, which can be text, tables, calendars, Kanban boards, and more. Notion's strengths lie in its adaptability, enabling users to create tailored workflows for project management, knowledge bases, or personal organization. It supports rich content embedding, integrations, and extensive templates. However, this flexibility can come with a steeper learning curve and slower setup compared to task-centric apps. Notion may also feel overwhelming for users who want quick task management without configuring complex structures. It's ideal for individuals or teams needing an all-in-one solution to organize diverse types of information and workflows in one place, especially when customization and content variety are priorities. Superlist excels in straightforward task and team management, making it perfect for users who want to focus on completing tasks quickly without distractions. Its simple interface and real-time collaboration features support efficient project delivery. Notion, on the other hand, shines in scenarios requiring extensive customization, combining notes, databases, and project tracking into a single workspace. It suits users who need to manage diverse content types and build personalized workflows. The trade-off is between Superlist's speed and simplicity versus Notion's flexibility and complexity. Teams with straightforward task needs may prefer Superlist, while those managing complex projects and information will benefit more from Notion's broad capabilities. Choose Superlist if your priority is fast, clear task management with minimal setup and a focus on team collaboration without extra workspace complexity. Opt for Notion if you need a customizable all-in-one workspace that integrates notes, databases, and project management. Its versatility supports complex workflows and diverse content, making it the best choice for users seeking flexibility and depth in productivity tools.